watching the TV, and this newsreader had the most blissful coughing fit.
Whoa, Fiona, I'm going to stop you there, because we've actually tracked this clip down, this blooper, and I believe that Mr. Director up in the gallery has got it laced up and ready to roll. Yes, I can confirm he has. He has.
The local news at 10:33 and a bit.
Good evening. The main story tonight.
Yes, the main story tonight. Ronald Satterthwaite of Skipton announced that the oyster season...
And you, Fiona, you actually saw that, actually.
Did indeed, Stephen, yes.
Yes, I understand that there was a happy ending to the story. The newsreader was rushed to hospital, but was found to be dead on arrival. Which is nice.
Which is nice. Now, Kevin, could I ask you to hand round the hula hoops?